Hey girl, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you are not, then welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to tie this Ankara turban style, which is popularly known as the TSIYA. The first thing you have to do is fold your scarf into a triangle. It doesn't matter how small your scarf is, as long as it won't be too small when you fold it, because this won't be the only folding you will be doing. Then take a piece of paper and fold it. Then place it on your scarf and fold it in such a way that the piece of paper won't be showing. Then after that, place it on your head like you normally would when tying your scarf. I like to put mine directly above my eyebrow because it gives it a more clean look. As for the excess fabric at the back, I either tuck it in such a way that it's covering my hair. Let me know if you want me to show you how I do that. But since I'm putting my veil on my head, I don't necessarily have to cover my hair because the veil will be doing the covering. And also keep it in mind that when you are tugging the excess fabric in, you are doing it in such a way that it will be secured and firmly in place, and you won't be afraid of it coming off in public or after a while. And also remember that the tip to having this dowry look clean and on point is making sure that your hair is a low bun and you are using a very small scrunchie, because having your hair in a very high bun and using large scrunchie will make the dowry look very weird and not fine at all. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to like, comment which tutorial you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. And I will see you in the next one. See you, Anjuma.